This is our family engagement kindergarten reading, read, write, and play pack. This pack is an amazing resource for teachers in the classroom or to send home with students to build that home to school connection and really get the families to be involved in their students' reading. And that family involvement is sure to bolster the kids' excitement about reading and engagement in the learning process. So here I'm going to show you our kindergarten kit. It starts with this amazing guide, and the guide is going to come home in this bag that the kids can easily carry back and forth to school if need be. And this guide is a 24-page guide written in both English and Spanish so that all families can enjoy it. It has a family letter, a little information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build reading skills. It definitely helps the parents to get involved when they know what's happening in the classroom and how they can help and support their teachers. This guide will walk you through how to use each item, and will even give extension activities on going even further. So when the parents feel that they have that confidence, I know how this is used and I can help my child, they get more involved and the student gets more excited. So you can use this guide. It'll walk you through each piece. It'll walk you through each dry erase board. We feature 3 double-sided dry erase boards. This one has letter formation, some practice writing lines, and even an open-ended area where they can practice words, letters, wherever they are. This kit has the resources to meet them. It also has my alphabet journal, which gives the student practice with letter formation. It gives them practice through the alphabet so they get a little bit more context in kindergarten on the alphabet and which letter they're working on, forming the letters, making full words. This will give them a visual cue. If you have visual learners, it comes with a picture to walk them through, take them all the way through the alphabet. And then at the end, you'll find fluency checks for teachers, for parents, to help the student stay on track and know what they know and know what they still need to practice. We also have a game that comes with it. The games are 2 to 4 players, perfect for family involvement and family engagement. So I'm sure they'll love this How Many Phonemes spin game. And what's really special about this kit, it also comes with 10 double-sided cards for practicing with the manipulatives. So in this kit, our manipulative is letters, and the lowercase letters. So a lot of kids in kindergarten are ready to move on to these lowercase letters, and they'll see it is color-coded. So you'll find your vowels in red, easy identification of the vowels, and CVC word building. So they'll have a really fun time, hands-on, learning what they need to know with fun practice. And speaking of fun practice, our guide also comes with a 30-day calendar of tasks and activities built to get the family connecting and the child learning in a fun environment without even knowing they're learning. So whether they're in a classroom or whether they're home with families building that connection, students are getting the hands-on practice that they need to aid in learning recovery after a tough few years.